Sir, big fan here. I trust your decisiveness. Uy, thank you so much po. Nakakataba ng puso. So, badly need your advice. Which is better to drive for a totally newbie car driver? Toyota Veloz top of the line or Mitsubishi Expander Cross top variant din? Sana masagot. So, sige, Oscar, Charlie, maraming salamat sa iyo. Tara, sagutin natin. So, I wanted to start first with longevity. Because yes, you might be a newbie now or yung asawa mo or kung sino man yung magdadala ng sasakyan. Eventually, you're gonna hone your skills and then mamamaster mo na yung sasakyan, ma-estimate mo na lahat, clearances, ganon. So eventually, what's gonna matter is how satisfied are you with the car that you have, diba? So premium quality, yung interior, leather, sarap sa pakiramdam, noise, ano rin yung soundproofing or the quality ng tahimik ng sasakyan, 'di ba? So yun, if that's the case or with that regard, I really recommend Expander Cross with the materials used nga. It's so much better than the Toyota Veloz, but it's lacking with a lot of safety features and tech features, gaya na lang ng 360-degree camera. Once I was able to own a car with a 360-degree camera, with all the years that I've been driving, now that I have a 360 cam, I just can't look back. It's so much convenient, it's so much easier to see everything with just nagre-relax ka lang, nagda-drive, estimate, makita mo lahat ng nasa paligid mo. Moving forward, maybe in the future, may yung mga cars that we will own, I think a 360-degree camera will really be non-negotiable. Not to mention that the Toyota Veloz also has a lot of advanced driving assist systems. Gaya na lang ng emergency braking, rear alert, blind monitoring sa sides. So dun pa lang yung automatically siya nag-stop pagka malapit na siya mamangga because of the front sensors. That in itself is really gonna be perfect, not just for newbie drivers but even with advanced or seasoned drivers. So kung usapang safety, features, comfort, convenience, yan, Toyota Veloz really is the best para sa akin. So for those who wanna know more about Toyota Veloz and all the other 7-seaters or recommendations natin, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sana nakatulong, follow for more.